Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the icon of your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, by icon, what I'm assuming that you're thinking of is the fav icon, or in other words, the icon that appears on the search engine next to your site's URL. So when somebody searches your site up on Google and it comes up as a result, the icon to the left, similar to the Google or the YouTube icon, is the fav icon, which is in a small sort of format. I'm pretty sure it's 32 by 32 or 36 by 36. I'm not really sure, but I know it's something of that sort. Now, to change that icon, what you're going to want to do once you're on your site editor is go and click on this gear icon right here to open up the settings menu. The first option here is the website menu, and you want to be on that. And as you can see, you have a wide assortment of options that you can select. Now, one of these is the fav icon option. You just want to click on that, and now you have the option to change it or to add a new fav icon. Now, as you can see, you only have the allowance of 0.1 megabytes as the size of your icon, so you need to have it. And you also have the option for a dark mode icon if you want it. Now, first you're going to need to click on this and click upload file, or you can select one from the library on Squarespace if you have already uploaded some certain icons into your content. However, what you need to do is click upload file and then select whichever image you would like. I'm not sure what this image is, but let's upload that. And as you can see, once that uploads, it has added in a new fav icon image. Then you can add a dark mode one if you want. I'm not going to do it. And once you're done, you just want to click save. And once that's saved, you're pretty much done. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.